Hello there. Glad you're with us on Mile High Living. I'm Tanya Rush in for Gina Belich. Okay, how does this sound? Go through the holidays without a mortgage payment and refinance to consolidate debt. Yes, sign me up. Brent Ivinson with Ideal Home Loans explains how this can actually work for you. This is exciting.
Yeah.
Now's the time to take advantage before the holidays because interest rates, where do we sit?
Well, interest rates right now, 30-year fixed rates, 3.875%. So here's the thing. Anytime you can borrow 30-year money on your mortgage that has a 3 in it, you got to take advantage of it, because here's this trend that we see every year. As we get into the new year, there's all this optimism and exuberance about the holiday season and the spending, and hey, the economy's great, and we see rates start to come back up. Take advantage of rates before the first of the year. You'll be glad you did, because you'll come away with a lower monthly payment and more savings and more money in your bank account.
And how can that help us manage that debt? I mean, you're kind of leading up to that.
Totally. You know, and that's what a lot of people are stressed out about, is how are they going to pay for Christmas, because last Christmas is still on this year's credit card or last year's holiday season. So we can help you out. Put your equity to work, and here's what you can do. You're going to win on all three fronts without spending any more money than you are right now. Okay, we're going to show you how to get out from underneath your credit card minimums. We're going to show you how to pay your house off more quickly and put more money in your savings account. And it's all by creating savings through getting out from underneath your credit cards. The interest on credit cards is astronomical. The way it's calculated is really tough to get ahead. We can show you how to get ahead by spending no more money than you are right now and coming away with paying your house off sooner and money in savings.
You're like Santa Claus early, bringing all these wonderful gifts. Okay, if I refi to help with debt, is it true that I can break even on that and for like a really long time?
No, it's not. You know, so this is one of those misnomers. We hear this all the time from clients. They're like, well, you know, and I'll run it. People, you know, we're at cocktail parties, at events, that type of stuff, and people say, well, you know, I'd refinance, but it's going to take me so many years to break even. That could not be further from the truth. It is actually a handful of months with us, and you are putting real net dollars, so ahead dollars, back in your pocket. We can show you the math and walk you through it. It does not take nearly as long as most people think.
Okay, so this scenario. Let's say that rates, they're not going to drop any more than to a point that it's really worth to refinance. So do I need to worry about that part of it?
Well, so what you're alluding to is, hey, it only makes sense to refinance if I can lower my interest rate a full percentage point. Not the case. That was the case when our parents were borrowing money at $100,000 and $125,000 at a chunk. Now your average loan sizes are $400,000 and $500,000. You got to take a look at how much it is costing you, how much you're saving, and determine if that makes sense. And in most cases, it does. It is not nearly as big a drop in interest rate as you think, just because loan amounts today are higher than they used to be.
Well, we hear you sing praises. I sing praises about you. But let's hear from one of your actual clients.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans, and I did a new purchase with them. And I'm so glad that I was referred to them, because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
Okay, and that makes me think too. So if I do refinance, what do people think? I have to start all over again on that 30-year plan.
Yeah, you don't have to. So here's the thing. This came to be the last time we saw rates like this. We've had clients that we've helped since 2001. We have hundreds of clients who call our office every month. And as we were reaching out to our past clients to see if they were interested in taking advantage of rates, we heard the same thing again and again. Yeah, I'd love to, but I don't want to start over. I don't want to go backwards. And so that's where our custom term mortgage came to be. So gone are the days where refinancing means resetting the clock and starting over on your home loan. You don't have to. So if you've got 23 years left to pay on your home, we will give you a new home loan for 23 years so that you can get the benefit of a lower interest rate and a lower payment, but still pay your house off as scheduled originally.
All right, so someone's ready to call. 303-867-7000. What can I expect when I call?
Well, the thing a lot of people are shocked by is the first thing you're going to hear from us is, what is it you're trying to accomplish?
I like that.
So, you know, most people are so used to being told, hey, you should do this or that, or this loan fits you, or that loan fits you. There are no two loans that are the same and no two situations that are the same. We can completely customize this process to what you're trying to do. And believe it or not, you can come away with having your mortgage work for you rather than you working for your home loan each and every month. So
now, this is really important for us to discuss. You're local and not a broker.
Yes.
Why do I care?
Well, you know, so you hear all these nightmare stories about borrowing money from a mortgage standpoint, right? Here's the little secret on that. It's about who you used, not the process itself. So we are a direct lender, and that is by design. We wanted to make this process as easy and as simple as possible for our clients. We can cut through all the red tape. This does not have to be a complete zoo to get this done. It can be a very simple, easy process that gets handled in 3 weeks. and it doesn't require a bunch of brain damage and a bunch of headaches. If you had a bad experience the last time, it's who you used, not the process. Call Ideal Home Loans. We can make it easy.
You heard it right here. So let's call 303-867-7000 now to schedule your free mortgage consultation. It's the time to save for the holidays and to manage that debt. Act now to start your refinance process. Your first new payment, best news, not until February 2020. Think of all that money you're going to save, really. Learn more online, idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's interview. Keep it here.